Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called a PointClub. And if you are a member of PointClub, then yes, stay tuned. I want to know your opinion, guys. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video. And also, I'm going to go and do a full review of what I've found out so far. But like I say, I found out very little, and you'll understand why when you watch the video. So if you are a member still and you've got paid or you've not got paid, then stay tuned, watch the video right to the end, and then make sure you comment below with what you have found in the PointClub website. So without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop. We'll run through what I've found so far about PointClub. Okay guys, so here we are. We've landed on the PointClub website here, and as you can see, PointClub introducing points plus rewards. Okay, as it says, you can obviously join PointClub, get paid to take surveys, play games, and win free money. Okay, and you also get a $5 bonus when you sign up, and then you have to obviously confirm your email to do that. And then literally just go and click on this join now button, and then obviously fill in the details, confirm your email, and then you are good to go, and you'll get a $5 bonus into your account. And we'll have a look inside the account very shortly, but let's just find out a little bit more about PointClub. Obviously it says here they've had over 15,000 reviews and counting. I'm not quite sure where those reviews are, it doesn't say, and it says give me a million reasons why I wouldn't join PointClub. It says obviously we respect your time, we appreciate your efforts, we reward your loyalty. Okay, and it's all talking about, it says here, PointClub has given away millions of dollars to our members. It's got 1.9 million members have earned points and over 40 plus million surveys. But it says here, down the bottom, our team has perfected the art of having fun while taking paid surveys. We know you are 1 million other things that you can do with your time right now. We strive every day to make sure that your time at PointClub is fun, engaging and rewarding. Okay, and it says here, what would you do with $1 million? So they are saying that obviously you could earn $1 million on this website. And so again, it says join now. Obviously keep in touch, and you've got the contact support, and you've got a few pages down here: login, privacy policy, terms and conditions, etc. Frequently asked questions, and we'll go through those very shortly. So let's go into the site and look into the inside of PointClub. Okay, so this is the site that you would come into here, and as you can see on my account here, I've actually earned over 5,036 points. So obviously got the 5,000 points for joining, and I've earned another 36 points since I've been in here. Now before you rush and look for a link below to go and join up with, I will put a link down there, but keep watching so far until obviously I give you more information before you sign up. Now, as you can see here, it actually says here there are no more profiling surveys available to you at this time. And obviously the best match surveys for you. And it says there are no surveys available at this time. So I ended up coming in and taking 2 or 3 different surveys. Let's show you that on my account. So as you can see here, I've obviously only just signed up, and I've taken 3 surveys, and I've got 12 points for each. 2 of the surveys I was ineligible for, and 1 is failed consolation reward. Okay, so all of those obviously I didn't actually go through to actually take the reward, but I did like the way that PointClub was actually laid out, and it was pretty well easy to go through. But the only thing I haven't found in here is anywhere else you can actually go and earn money. All it's got up here is a tab that says surveys. Okay, now this could be a reason why in a minute, and I want to go through that right now to make sure that you know straight from the off that why I possibly haven't been getting paid for some of these surveys. Before we do, I just want to jump over and just prove to you that obviously PointClub has been going for many years. Okay, I came over to the site who.is, and it just proves here that the domain name here was first registered back in 1999. Okay, so it's obviously been going over 20 years, so they must have been doing something right. But I know recently the site has changed. Look at some of these reviews on YouTube here. As you can see, the actual site itself looks so much different in these actual videos, and if you go through some of these, it is totally different. Okay, so again, that has changed very, very recently. And it also backs up. I went to Trustpilot, and as you can see here, it's got 102 reviews, and it comes through as bad. Okay, and it's a lot of it says that this site has changed recently. They obviously just booted people off. It was a scam, all that sort of thing. So go and read these yourself. But I might be able to just alleviate you doing that by actually going back and finding exactly what was something that we missed. And I missed it first time on the front page when you sign up. Okay, now if we scroll down near the bottom and under this £1 million banner, which probably took your eye, okay, it actually says here, open to legal residents of the 50 United States and Washington, D.C. So in other words, you have got to be a resident of the USA in order to use this site. Okay, but that said, I'm in the UK. It has allowed me to obviously join up and obviously try and take some surveys. But this is obviously why I've been eligible on a couple and failed on another. So that probably results on why they have suddenly changed things and why they were getting bad results recently, reviews on things like Trustpilot. So it would have been interesting to see exactly where they were actually got their 15,000, which they claim 15,000 reviews and counting, but it doesn't say where they are, and it doesn't give you an option to click through anything. As you can see here, it's not giving me the option to click. So although yes, the Point Club could be legit, this is why I want your opinion, guys. Are you in the US? Have you used Point Club? Have you actually drawn any money out? Obviously, I can't go through and prove this because I'm not in the USA. I'm only in the UK. Although you do get some people have said that you do get surveys in that in the UK, but at the end of the day, if you can't actually draw that money out, there's no point obviously being able to take surveys or play games. I can't see anywhere where I can play games, and maybe that again opens up as you go through the site and you do more surveys. Maybe it opens up more ways to actually earn. I don't know. So again, if you have used Point Club, had a bad experience, good experience, let us know in the comments below, and you'll be able to obviously shed a little bit more light than I can at the moment on the Point Club, because at the moment, like I say, I can't really do an awful lot. I can't show you to how that I've pulled out any money or anything like that, because I'm not in the USA. Now, there are on their website loads of frequently asked questions, so I did go into here. And it does say about different things about how do I win the $1 million, and you can earn tokens and you can get points plus games with the tokens, and you play a game called tic-tac-toe, but again, none of that I can see in there at the moment. So this may be added to redeem the points. You're looking at 25,000 points, which is about $25, and I think some of the other videos say that you can get paid out by PayPal, but again, it doesn't actually say that on the questions here. It mainly looks at doing gift cards and things like that. So again, maybe you could let us know whether they are paying out in PayPal as well. Okay, so like I say, there is a link below. If you're in the US, obviously go and join it now. Go and test it out for me, and then come back and let us know how you get on. If you've had the same experience I've had, then maybe there is something amiss, and we need to obviously let everybody know that, so they can then obviously make an informed decision. Okay, so thanks for watching. Obviously, make sure you comment below if you're already a member or you're thinking of being a member. Obviously, let us know which country you are from as well, because there seems to be a little bit of a misinterpretation of whether they're paying out or whether they're not paying out. So let us know in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next, and we will see you on the next video.